Hello friends, today we will talk about how to turn on show you in the relationships lists on REDnote app. On iPhone you will go to REDnote app as you see and you will click. Here in this page you will go to this sign of me and you will enter. On above you will click in this sign and you will click here. After that, you will go to this sign of settings. Here in this page, you will go to this window of privacy settings. After that, you will scrolling down until you find here this window of ways to find you. Here you will click in this sign. If the sign changes to this color, then you can know how to turn on show you in the relationships list on REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.